All right, I thought I'd give you guys an update on the Sequoia exhaust that I'm making pretty much the same as the Tundra exhaust. So let's zoom in. I'll show you what the difference is. But pretty much they're the same. The only thing with the Sequoia is that the exhaust is a little bit shorter, obviously because the vehicle is a shorter vehicle as well. So they kind of tighten things up a little bit. Let me show you the difference on these. Now, this is a Tundra exhaust that is going towards a customer that's all tacked up. It doesn't have the bracket on there. The brackets are essentially the same. So you'll have a U bracket there and you'll have a U bracket there. That exhaust is not done. That is for the Tundra. Okay, so probably about a foot, maybe 10 inches to a foot shorter than the Tundra exhaust. I got a customer coming over here today. We are going to install it on this TRD Pro. And it's pretty much going to sound the same. You got the same motor, you've got the same piping coming out. I really don't have to go drive it or do flybys, do an in-cabin review. I mean, we could take it out and take it for a spin. I might do that. We'll see later in the video. But as far as this goes, same design, same thing pretty much. All right, Toyota Sequoia, TRD Pro, and we've got the Houston TIG Welding slip-on exhaust, formerly known as TIG Welding Creations. You guys know the exhaust. A lot of people have it. Let's go for a little ride. Oh yeah, sounds just the same, just the same. There's my buddy Raul going by right there. Sounds great. All right, windows up. Let's roll them up. Let's try in cabin because the cabin is different than the Tundra. It's more of a box. It's got a little bit of hum at 2200. That's normal. But then, you back off 2200 and it's nice and quiet again. So pretty much the same. I'm happy with it. I do want to go down a little faster road. I want to see what it does on a higher cruise speed. Yeah, got a slight hum, but that's normal for an aftermarket exhaust. So all right, we'll do a little pull. Oh yeah, beautiful. I think we have a winner. Another one for the books.